Do you want to know how you can invite your friends and earn rewards on Wise? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can invite and earn on Wise. So let's go ahead and start with the video. The first step is to open any type of browser you have on your PC. The second step is to go to wise.com and log into your account. The third step and the final step is to click on Earn, which is clearly seen on the left hand side of your screen. After you tap on it, you can see this page dedicates for invite and get £50. So you can either copy this, send it to your friends via any social media sites, or you can just click on share over here, and there are some of these messengers like email, WhatsApp, Facebook and tweet. You can click on any one of these. So let's suppose I want to send email. I'll just go ahead and click on this and I will write down my friend's email and click on add friend. Click on send one invite and you can see that the invitation has been sent to the email address of the friend which you have entered. If you scroll a bit down, you can see that the list of invited friends will be shown over here. So you can see the features, what they get, a fee-free transfer for up to £500 when they sign up with your link. And what you will get is £50 with 3 friends, send over £200 in one go. Same currency transactions will not apply. If you scroll a bit down, you can also enter a referral link. If your friend has sent you some referral link and want to apply the code, you can paste it here, click submit, and the referral code will be applied as well. So guys, this is how easily you can invite and get £50 on Wise. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.